Alright guys, so we are at the Wilson Ranch. Bless your land, oh Lord. So I have my buddy here, and his name is Mr. Pete, right?
Yep.
And he's one of the partner with the Andrew. And these guys have been raising the pigs, and the black hogs, white hogs, and almost like 300 to 400 head of cattle. And this is one of the barn right here, and if you see it, it's got all the black pigs. Look at them, guys. It looks so decent, and the way they organize and the structure of the barn looks pretty good, and the layout is very fine for these hogs. They got the free feed for all time, and they can eat whenever they want it, and they can drink whenever they want it. So look at this. If you guys want to see this farm, or wanted to visit, or want to buy pigs or goats, anything, you are more than welcome. And we do have more other farms that we still need to see it, but this is the first barn that you're looking at for the hogs. Look at these guys. It is so nice. Wilson Ranch. I'm gonna show you the cattle. The Angus bull, Angus cows. Angus.
Baby, I don't know, baby.
There you go, guys. So we are going to the next pig barn. So this is at the Wilson Ranch, and it's got a lot of cattle. And they've been picking the sweet corn this morning. And my buddy is with Andrew right there. He's sitting on the back of that four-wheeler. And Ted is going right behind him. And he's one of the helpers here. Look at the beauty of nature. And they got almost like 800 acres of land here.
Ruth, all you have to do is this. Now I'm gonna follow Pete.
Okay. Look at this. Oh, good. Oh, it's good. So good, man. When you see this land, look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is freaking so big. There you go, guys. We're going over there. Look at the barn. The hogs barn, the pig barn. Let's see, man. Let's see what you got, man. Let's see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look. Maybe he's got some other employees to work here. All right. Oh, you already started corn?
Give her a bite.
Sweet corn लानु पर्यो नि पनि
Taste it. It's good.
Yeah, you can take a little bit.
Really good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Sweet corn
Oh, that's excellent. Try it. You'll be like, ah.
Look at them. They got almost like 200-300 pigs coming right here. My buddy. He's got almost like 200-300 black pigs coming. The ones are not very big, but the small ones. Yeah, you can pee anywhere.
Really?
Yeah, you-
Corn?
No. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Shoo. Oh my god, we gotta go over there, buddy. We gotta go over there.
Gusto nga niya?
They want to take a pig or a big pig? Where'd the big pig? Look at it.
Look at this.
What happened to one of the ears?
Huh?
One of their ears is healthy.
Oh, that's okay. It's just got water in it. A little extra. It's like a camel. Hip. Yeah. Listo! Go.
Look at the one
Go
over
for
there.
it.
Big here.
Let me ready. Listo! Doble cruz!
Oh, it's somewhere over there.
Listo!
No, he's over there.
Yeah. Ask the dude is ready.
Oh,
Yeah, he said ready.
In Spanish. Listo.
oh listo, man. Ready?
Sí. Yes. Put it in the camera. Don't cut it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Come on, buddy, move. Yeah. They're so fat.
A lot of pigs.
Yep. Oh. Come on in, Sonny. Jump up there. Yeah.
They're facing this way.
Hey, turn around.
No. Oh, one of them is injured.
There's so many pigs here.
Go.
It's already started. Pete says you can't get them to move back there. They don't like whiteface. They're racist. That's what he said.
go. Move. No. Turn it over. That's the Asian way.
Got it?
He threw it.
Go.
Go.
So scared.
You can see you.
Go. You wanna bite me?
I'm trying to keep my toes away. I'm gonna bite my toes off.
Ah, look at this.
Hit.
I have to pause this one.
Have they not seen slats?
No,
Slats, they probably.
no, they've only been in there. They've only been in Farron crates.
That makes sense when they don't want to move. I don't have it
Yeah.
in purple here.
You gotta close this door.
Yeah, sure. Hit.
Oh,
Ah, hey.
come on. Oh my God, look at this.
Hit.
Hit.
Look at the pee on there. Don't drop your phone.
I don't know how they clean it.
I don't know what I said. Look at that. Look at this. They put numbers like 21, 22, 25.
Yeah,
All
that's
numbers.
a bin. Our number.
Nice and cool in here too.
Hit.
Yeah, this is insulated.
There's so much rust. Look at this. Now they are racist. Similar. The pigs are probably racist. They say they don't like white pigs. There's white pigs.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh my god.
Moving.
Don't drop the roller.
Yeah, I did shower because I was nasty, but I'm not worried about getting. These guys have me in that.
Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Here, look at that one. Pure black.
Is that a concrete floor? Or,
Manuel, that's shit.
yeah.
What do you say?
Is that a like tank underneath?
Yeah, a basement,
Yeah.
8 foot deep. We call it a pit. A pit.
Does it go from like young to juvenile?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we have different stages. Usually we have the barns full all the way across every row. But we've changed what we're doing. We need to do some maintenance. We're gonna work on the building.
Wow. Looks so nice. Well managed.
We work all the time.
Already started eating feed. The feed is coming right there. Look. Automatic feeder.
Their nose looks so weird.
Automatic feeder is on.
Their nose is so rough. Feel it.
No.
Just the females. And Mexicans they prefer barrels with just the boys. I don't know. You prefer
Most like males.
males.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Same way. There must be something in picking when like our forefathers used to do it. You know?
Yeah,
It just
yeah.
came like
It's the
trend,
same-
you know, like.
Yeah, it's the same for
Yeah.
us too. Yeah.
So my father used to do the same way I used to do now, and he probably will do the same thing in
Yeah.
the future, you know, because he's been with me for a long time.
So besides pigs, What else do you eat?
Look at them. They're running all over. This is my buddy's Andrew's farm. Oh, hey, you don't even have here. Where's your ear? Somebody cut it up? Oh, this is so weird.
He's born deaf.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. You might not have seen this before. Oh my goodness. They wanted to eat. Oops. Big ones. They might eat you, buddy. If you go inside, they're gonna eat you. Oh my God. Holy moly.
They bark like dogs.
Holy moly, crocodile.
When they get older, what the heck happened to him? Look at that.
Belly pop out.
Which one didn't have ears? Which one was this one?
It's one of them here. One is eating. It looks like what do you call it?
It looks like a. Look at
I forgot.
it. It looks like something that's in a blanket. It looks like something.
No. That actually looks like a hippo. Kinda, right?
Yeah, but hippos have ears.
Look at this Angus. Angus bull cows. These ones are very, very, very strong. So automatic water feeder here. Look at them. Make sure you're not coming after me. Oh my goodness. You have the freshwater drink. A little bit of algae build up there, but it's okay. It's okay for them. Look at them. Andrew Wilson.
Was this here before, or did you guys make this?
It was. I think they put dirt on top of it because it was.
Yeah, when the war happens, then you get
That's the cellar for the house. So there's eggs.
Alright guys, how do you like our video? So if you like our video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hopefully I will be able to show you more ranches, more farms in future, so you guys will be inspired to do so, because it is profitable, you know. So if you guys have seen that hog farm, look and see and guess how much it's gonna cost you to build that barn, and the amount of time you spend raising those pigs and selling on the market, right? So you're gonna make decent money and live off of it. So you don't have to work outside and depend on companies, you know. So it'll be all good for you guys. Alrighty guys, have fun and hope to see you soon.